Top 5 Best
Fragrance for young men. Number 1. Molto Blanc Legend. If you're looking for a sweet-smelling cologne, then the Molto Blanc Legend might be the one for you. The cologne has an incredibly aromatic blend of pineapple, lavender, and red apple. It also has a lovely touch of honka haba, which is reminiscent of vanilla and caramel. If you're looking for a cologne that has a long-lasting versatile aroma of up to 10 hours, then this one would be perfect cologne for any occasion.
Number 2. Carolina Herrera 212. The greatest thing about this cologne is the fact that you don't have to worry about putting more on every few hours. This cologne is long-lasting, which is why she has added a vaporizer to this cologne to ensure that men are able to avoid putting on too much, which is perfect for the men on the go who wants to smell nice for the entire day. This cologne has a lovely blend of tangerine, grapefruit, ironwood, and sandalwood, putting on the right amount of essential to success. Number 3. Hugo Boss Dark Blue. It's important to find a cologne that is suitable to wear no matter where you go. Luckily, this Dark Blue by Hugo Boss is extremely versatile. With an initial hint of lime, ginger, and grapefruit, this cologne will provide you with a refreshing fragrance that is capable of making it through those long days in the office right by your side without having to reapplying it constantly. And thanks to the fact that this cologne also contains a combination of sage, geranium, vanilla, wood, and patchouli, it makes a perfect cologne to wear for a night out on the town. Number 4. Invictus by Paco Rabanne. Paco Rabanne found the perfect combination of the strong citrus and aquatic influences that are combined with nice touch of wood and floral notes. This cologne is not only masculine, but it has a sensitive touch that your partner will undoubtedly appreciate. Unfortunately, because this cologne has such a refreshing appeal, it may need to be reapplied throughout the day. Number 5. Boss Bottle by Hugo Boss. If you're that type of man who would rather be deep in the woods with an axe in his hand and lady by his side, with its woody notes of cedar, sandalwood, mahogany, and oak moss, you would stand out even in the middle of the forest. The addition of vanilla and cinnamon are perfect aromas for women in your life. The greatest thing about this cologne is the fact that it can be used at any time of the day for any occasion. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.